Are you ready?
We are back for a revisit at the CitizenM Tower Hill. And guys, if you remember last time we were on the 4th floor, this time we are even higher up. We are on the 6th floor, directly overlooking the Tower of London. Honestly guys, look at that view. I can't wait to wake up to this view every morning. I'm super excited. Obviously, we'll start off here today, guys. We've got a massive king-size bed with extra pillows. Now, normally last time we give you a single pillow, but we got 2 pillows. So I'm really excited to test that out later on. We have my name on the telly. We have a new friend. If you want to give her a name, let me know in the comments. That's where we just come in, a nice little hallway. We can change the lighting, by the way, on the iPad. Speaking of the iPad, it's located right by the bed here. You can see it's got my name on it, and we can do a wallpaper wizard. You could do all sorts. So, like, I'm just going to quickly show you an example here. We can get someone to clean a room, but I'm just going to move the iPad here just to show you quickly. Just look at the... Oh, hang on. Come on. You can see the lights are changing. And you can even adjust the brightness on it as well. So yes, and that's in the bathroom, by the way. Obviously, when you check in, you get a little paper receipt. We've got my room tag, which is your luggage tag. We've got notepad and paper. And we also got the CitizenM movement, which I strongly agree with. Over here, we've got some cups. We have our mini fridge, which you can use. It's empty, so you guys can fill it up. We have tissues. We have cups. And obviously the famous CitizenM hand lotion and the soap. We've got a nice little sink area. In here we've got, it's all red in here because I've just shown you how to change the lighting colour. We have this massive power shower. We have the Citizen AM PM products. Let me know in the comments if you're an AM or a PM person. I know I'm a PM person. We've got a massive shower, freshly laundered towels, the bog. And then if you're wondering, where do you store your clothes? Hello, that is me, because I'm in a bit of a hurry because I need to go out in a couple of minutes. You got your clothing storage here, and you got your safe. One other thing as well, you do have storage underneath the bed as well. And you also got your remote control. So there we are, guys. The CitizenM Tower of London. Guys, it's not going to be a bed test without trying this amazing bed. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's an amazing hotel and it smells nice too. I love how gorgeous it is. So guys, I'll see you on the next hotel room tour. See you guys.
The next day.